Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy IceManJhey. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while, and I do apologize about that. It's been pretty hectic. I've been kind of busy, and I also had like a foot injury as well, so I've been trying to recover from that. I'm a little bit better now, but I just want to give you guys some updates. I should have recorded when I did this, but a couple of things have changed. So I got Nismo front and rear bumpers. I got black housings done to my car. I got a fourth brake light install, and I got new wheels and tires. So I'm about to go ahead and show you guys that right now, and here we go. So here it is. Here's my Z 2017 370Z. As you guys can see, got the black housings done. All this was done by the same shop. Shout out to Fleet Automotive here in the DMV. Got the black housings. Got the Nismo front bumper right there with the red accents. I haven't gotten the DRLs, and I'm not going to. I'm probably gonna get that little block off plate that you can get. That's what I'm gonna do. And then let me switch over to the rear. I don't want to show you guys the wheels yet, but this is the rear bumper right here with the Tome. Got the brake light right there, and I need that little tow hook too. But shout out to Fleet. And yeah, so let me show you guys the wheels now. Right there, NK RPF ones in the SBC. Shout out to SoCalZ for helping me with that. I got them in a 18 by 9.5 in the front, plus 15, and 18 by 10.5 plus 15 in the rear. I went with a 265 35 18 front tire, and for the rear I went with the 285 35 18, and these are the Nitto NT55 G2, and they do hook. But I do apologize for not recording any of the process of this, but I just want to make this quick little video, show you guys how my car looks, and boy does it make a difference. This thing looks so different, so nice. I love how it looks, but I am gonna need new fender liners. As you can see here, I gotta tuck that wire. But yes, and I do need the new undershroud as well, because I'm still running on the stock undershroud from my regular Z bumper. So I'm gonna get the Z1 aluminum undershroud. I'm gonna order that, and then I am also debating on what to get for the rear. I don't know if I should get a wing or the duckbill. Let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking maybe, I'm thinking maybe the carbon duckbill or a Nismo wing. I'm not too sure, but this is how my baby sits right now, and I'm in love with it. It's freaking amazing. I love how it looks. For those of you guys that don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. That's my Instagram right there. And I got other news too. I'm actually part of GentlemenZ now. I haven't put the banner on, but I do need to take that one off and put the new banner on. But yeah, I'm part of GentlemenZ now. So it's so crazy. I used to look at their Instagram page and be like, damn, I want to be part of it. This was before I had the car and stuff, and this and that, you know. And then I was talking to them, and they basically approved it, and I'm now part of them. And actually, I was the first one in Maryland to join GentlemenZ, so that's pretty cool. And we talked, I talked to them and stuff like that, and they told me that they're willing to start a chapter here in Maryland. And me and my boy Karane, he also joined GentlemenZ, but basically, like, I was like the first one or whatever. But that doesn't, I don't really care about that, but it's pretty cool though, you know what I mean? So as part of we're the first ones for Maryland pretty much. So we might start a chapter here in Maryland. Let me know what you guys think, if y'all want to see that. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys this little quick update video on how my car is and stuff like that. Got more stuff coming out for the future, so I want you guys to stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're coming up on 100 subscribers. I'm still thinking of what I want to do as a giveaway, so give me some giveaway ideas, what you guys want. But you know what I mean, like something small though, nothing too big. You know, as the subscriber count gets bigger, the prize is gonna get better, you know what I mean? So just let me know. Oh yeah, look, I burnt the bottom of the bumper because of my flame map. Shout out to RS Enthalpy, #Martin. That's my boy right there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this whole thing, man. Y'all like it? Y'all liking the setup? Let me know. Leave some feedback. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.